Okay, we are still working on section 2.4 where we are solving right triangles. And in this video, again, we're going to look at two examples about two right triangles. So here I have my first example, and it says solve each right triangle ABC where the measure of angle C is 90 degrees. So they're telling me that I have a right triangle and here is angle C. So this is A, B, and C. C is the right angle, sorry. And I know that angle A is 28 degrees and the side C, that the hypotenuse is 17.4 feet. So this is C equals 17.4 feet. And this is the side A, and this is side B. Okay. So first, let's find the measure of angle B. Again, we said these two angles should add up to 90 degrees. So to find the measure of one of them, I will apply 90 minus the measure of the other angle. So angle B equals 90 minus, and I know that angle A is 28. That will be 62 degrees. Okay, so now I know all of my angles. I know the hypotenuse, but I don't know the length of side A or side B. So let's apply the sine function here, sine A, which is 28 degrees. And you remember that the sine is the opposite, which is A, over the hypotenuse, and I know that it is 17.4. We will cross multiply, and A is 17.4 times sine of 28 degrees. And multiplying the value of sine 28 degrees times the 17.4 should give you 8.2 feet. That's the length of side A. Next, I'm going to find the length of side B, and for this one I will apply the cosine of theta, or of angle A. So I'll say cosine 28 degrees. Remember that the cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, so it's B over 17.4. Again, cross multiply. B equals 17.4 times cosine of 28 degrees, and that will be 15.4 feet. Okay. My second example is about another right triangle. Here is number 2. Here is my right triangle. A, B, C, and again, measure of angle C is 90. And I've been told that A equals 11 and B equals 12. So this side is A, and it's equals to 11. And this side this side is B, and it's equals to 12. And I will find the length of the hypotenuse. Then I will find the measure of angle A and angle B. So first, let's find the length of the hypotenuse, applying the Pythagorean theorem. And this is C. So it will be C squared equals A squared plus B squared. C squared is, A squared is 11 squared, and B is 12 squared. This is 121, and 12 squared is 144. You add these together, you will get 265. That's C squared. Taking the square root for both sides, you'll get C equals 16.3. So I found the length of the hypotenuse. Next, I will find the measure of the two angles, A and B. And we'll apply the tangent to find the measure of angle A. Tangent A equals, remember the tangent is the opposite over the adjacent. So that's 11 divided by 12. Then we'll take the inverse function here. Remember that one that we used the calculator? We said we use, when we know that the value of the tangent and we want to find the angle, we'll use the inverse function. And in this case, angle A will be 42.5 degrees. I used the tangent inverse to find the measure of this angle. Last step, to find the measure of angle B. Remember we said A plus B should equal to 90 degrees. So I will say measure of angle B is 90 degrees minus measure of angle A, which it is 42.5 degrees. Subtracting these two numbers will give me 47.5 degrees. That's the measure of angle B. Again, I found all of the length of all of the sides and the measure of all of the angles. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one.